हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवी मैथ्स। और आज हम नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, चैप्टर नंबर 10। और इस चैप्टर का नाम है हेरोन्स फार्मूला। इसके सारे हम कॉन्सेप्ट और एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे। हेरोन एक बहुत बड़े जो है वो मैथमेटिशियन थे जिन्होंने एक फार्मूले का इजाद किया, और उस फार्मूले का क्या डेरिवेशन है वो ये है कि किसी भी ट्रायंगल का अगर हमें साइड पता है तो उसका एरिया निकालने का जो फार्मूला है वो हम देखेंगे। तो देखिए, मान लीजिए एक ट्रायंगल है ए बी सी और उसकी साइड्स हैं स्मॉल ए, स्मॉल बी एंड स्मॉल सी। तो उसका फार्मूला होगा एरिया का, एरिया ऑफ triangle ABC will be under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Okay. Now अब हम इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल देखना है, ये समझना है कि इसको हम कैसे यूटिलाइज करेंगे। तो एग्जाम्पल 1 है, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल whose two sides are 8 and 11 and perimeter is 32 centimeter. Okay, so we have a triangle A B C and this is 11, this is 8 and perimeter is 32. So perimeter is equal to 32, then AB will be 32 minus 11 minus 8 and that will be equal to 13 centimeter. Now area of triangle ABC. Before going that, we will do S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, right? And A plus B plus C is what? 32 by 2 is 16 centimeter. S is 16 now. S minus A is 16 minus 11 is 5. S minus B, 16 minus 8 is 7. Sorry, 8, my mistake. And S minus C is 16 minus 13 is 5, 3. Okay, so area of triangle ABC will be under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That will represent under root S is 16, A is 5, B is 8 and C is 3. Simple it is. 16 we can write it as 2 into 8 into 5 into 8 into 3. So this will come out and it will come 8 root 30. So this is centimeter square answer. Okay, now we go to example number 2, which says a triangular park ABC has its sides. We have a triangular park whose sides are 120 meter, 50 meter and here 80 meter. Now gardener Dhania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. तो उसको यहाँ अंदर घास लगानी है, घास तो लगानी ही है, बट यहाँ पे जाली भी लगानी है। जाली क्यों लगानी है? ताकि कोई जानवर उस घास को, उन पौधों को ना खा जाए। ठीक है। Now, how much area does he have to plant? तो सबसे पहले वो पूछ रहा है कि एरिया ऑफ ABC क्या होगा। ठीक है। अब दूसरा पूछ रहा है कि फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग इट विथ वायर at rate of 20 meter having space of 3 meter wider for a gate on one side। तो ये 3 मीटर हमें यहाँ कम करना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे जाली नहीं लगेगी लेकिन बाकी एरिया पे जाली लगेगी और रेट ऑफ फेंसिंग है 20 रुपीज़ पर मीटर। तो ठीक है, तो फेंसिंग कितनी दूर करनी पड़ेगी? टोटल पैरामीटर -3। ठीक है, ये तो करेंगे लेकिन पहले एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC क्या होगा? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC विल बी S। व्हाट इज हियर S? S इज 50 + 80 + 120/2। करेक्ट। S इज इक्वल टू 250/2 और S इज इक्वल टू 125। Here it will come under root 125 ब्रैकेट में 125 - 50 75, 125 - 120 is just 5 and 125 - 80 is 45. Okay, now 125 we can write it as 5 × 5 × 5, 75 we can write 5 × 5 × 3 and 5, and then 45 we go 3 × 3 × 5. We'll make pair, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 1 pair. Okay, so all last we will get 5 5 × 25, 125, 3 × 375 under root 15 meter square. Okay, this came area. Now we have to find cost. Cost is 20 into distance to be fenced. Correct? This will be cost because rate is 20 per meter. 20 into distance, how much it is to be fenced? Total sum is 250 minus 3 is for gate. 20 into 247, which will be 4940 rupees will be cost of fencing. Now I'll go to the third and last example. Now this says कि the sides of triangular plot are in ratio 3:5:7 and their perimeter is 300. Find its area. Now it is saying this is 3x, this is 5x and this is 7x. And so पैरामीटर मतलब क्या होता है? AB + BC + A. Let sides be 3x, 5x and 7x. So 3x + 5x + 7x, and we have given parameter of 300 meter. So 15x is equal to 300, so x will be 20. Now sides are 60, 100 and 140. Okay, meter. Now we have to find area. Area is equal to s by 2. S is 300 ना, पैरामीटर का हाफ होता है s, तो 150 minus 100 is 50, 150 minus 60 is 90, and 150 minus 140 is 10. So this zeros will make one pair and it will come double zero outside, and from here 15 will come, here 13 will come. 1500 root 3, 13 will be left out of this. This will be meter square. This is the answer. So in this manner we have completed the concept and exercises of this chapter. So I thank you everyone to stay till last, completing this lecture, very short lecture of Heron's formula, which is very important in both regular exams of boards in future, and competitive exams are also asking this type of questions in government exams. So to learn such kind of concepts, stay tuned to AbhiMaths, and in next lecture we are going to do exercises of this chapter. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.